Hi, this is Mike from Asynt, and this little video is just going to show you how to fix the internal thermocouple to your PressureSyn. So first of all, you want to choose a suitable height, and you can kind of feel when it's touching the side wall of the vessel. So I probably want mine about here, which is about 2 fingers up. And the next step is simply to unscrew this fitting here with a size 10 spanner. Once you've loosened it, you can do it by hand. Perfect. And now what you want to do is slide the thermocouple through there, like so, and take a ferrule with the wider, fatter part facing down, and fit that back into the socket. You can now tighten this in, and remember we said about 2 fingers. There. And you can tighten it. You can see it's starting to become fixed. And that's all you need to do.